guys, welcome to my channel RD Spiritual 1111. So today I'm going to discuss about in this lockdown time boost your productivity by your zodiac signs guys. So how can you boost your productivity by your zodiac signs? So today I'm going to discuss about on that topic. So guys, let's get started. So guys, on the one position is Aries. It's basically a fiery sign. So these people love excitement to brain. They should read mysterious novels in this lockdown time to boost your productivity, guys. Okay, on the number two is Taurus. So these people like to do some energetic things like exercises, running, etc. So this should do something guys, physical things like yoga and learn new techniques of karate skills also. So this is very useful for you all guys. On the number third is Gemini. So these people are talkative. They love to talk too much. This is the leisure time. You have to make some new friends, guys, and interact with each other from social medias or online and learn good habits from them, guys. Your friend circles will be strong by doing that. It's really profitable for you guys. On the number fourth is Cancer. So these people are very emotional and sensitive people. Listen some music guys during sleeping times and do meditation for peace in this lockdown time. So it's really useful for your mind guys. So do that. Okay guys, on the number 5 is Leo. So these people have a strong administrative power. They don't know how they can be so spiritual and useful for others guys. So in this lockdown time they should learn all these things in spirituality and help others. Okay guys, on the number 5 is Virgo. So these people are good analyzers. They analyze everything in deep. So in this lockdown time go depth in your field and profession guys. For example, if you are in a field of chemistry, then go depth in the field and anything and do something new things. Okay, so if you are in the field of fashion designing, then go depth in this field and make some useful things or outfit for safety from coronavirus in this lockdown time. It's really necessary guys, and so on. So you all people are good analyzers, so go depth in your field and analyze new things. Okay guys, so on number 7 is it's Libra. So these people know how to balance between entertaining and learning. So learn some new skills in this lockdown time guys. Watch some documentaries on Netflix in this lockdown time. Boost your productivity by doing that. Okay guys, so on the number 8 is Scorpio. So these people are very mysterious people guys. In this lockdown time, so study some mysterious novels like novels of James Bond. Okay, so do that. It helps you boost your mind capability, and by doing that your mentality is really should have gone to be a strong guys, so do that. Okay guys, so on number 9th is Sagittarius. So these people are very targeted and very speedy people. In this lockdown time you should balance your mind, do meditation in this lockdown period, and for relaxation your mind, listen some old songs which feels relaxed you guys, so do that. Okay guys, so on number 10th is Capricorn. These people are ambitious people and cautious people also. You people should chanting mantra these days of lockdown for boost your productivity guys. As for example, in Hindus you can chanting mantra of Om and whatever you can do. And for Muslims you can chanting Hel Dua of Hoval Hayyul Qayyum like that. And for Sikh you can chanting Vaheguru mantra, and for Christianity you can chanting Jesus prayer guys, and so on guys. So do that in this lockdown period for increasing your consciousness. It's really helpful for you guys. Okay, on number 11th it's Aquarius guys. So these people are socially connected people. You people are really inspirational for others, so you all should give some inspirational message. So give some inspirational message to others and give some inspirational quotes or thoughts on social medias guys. So people will follow your thoughts because people are really inspired by you all guys. So do something good and useful things for others in this lockdown time. And the last one is Pisces. On number 12 it's Pisces guys. These people are peacemaker. They resolve others problems easily. In this lockdown time people of this zodiac signs do guidance and counseling others guys. It's really useful for others also and helps in your boost productivity. So boost your productivity by doing that guys. So guys, these are the tips for boosting your productivity by your zodiac signs. Hope you all will like it. So do like, share and subscribe my channel and stay connected with me. Stay blessed. Okay guys, bye bye.